Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to change YouTube channel name. So if you really have such questions of the same kind, make sure that you stick around because I've got tips to give you and more tips. So if you just joined me, my name is Israel. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe there at the bottom if you want to see more of my tips. And touch the bell button also next to the subscribe button to receive a notification whenever I upload a YouTube video for you. Now we're going to see exactly how to change YouTube channel name or how to change a YouTube name. How do you do exactly that? Because many people usually they haven't yet made up their minds, and when people usually go ahead and open a YouTube channel, they just open it and not even having any idea or any clue, and then along the run along the run they realize, like, no man, I should have called it this, I should have called it that, maybe I should have called it that. They take long to make up their mind, but by the time they make up their minds, they don't know how to go about changing the name. So now this is exactly how you go about changing the name. If you want to change the YouTube name, let's go dive straight into this. Go straight to your YouTube. Now I'm gonna start first. Sorry. Let's see. I'm gonna begin with changing your YouTube name on the PC, on your PC, right? And then I'm gonna show you secondly how to change your your YouTube name on Android or on the cell phone. So let's dive straight onto your PC here. This laptop needs to be restarted, and I wanted to restart it before I do this video, but I don't know what distracted me. Okay, now we're gonna go to YouTube straight away. YouTube on the PC, then later I do YouTube on the phone. So now YouTube on the PC is kind of like a little bit slightly different from the PC, from the YouTube on the phone. So you find, like, when we get here on YouTube on the PC, you need to look here. You need to look here on your profile picture. Profile picture is where you need to go when you think, whenever you want to change your name, you go to profile picture, click on your profile there, and then it will drop down this menu here, and then go to manage. There's a link there that says manage your Google account. Now what happens is this: Google own YouTube. Now whatever settings, some of the main personal settings, you cannot change them on YouTube. In order to change them on YouTube, you need to go onto your Google account, which is the Gmail account. You log in there on your Gmail account. If you're not logged in, you can never change them. But so log in to your Gmail account, log into Google on Google Chrome, log in with your Gmail account, and then put in your password, and then make sure that your profile picture shows there on top. So go to manage your your Google account. So then it's going to take you straight to this tab here, where we look at it from the Google perspective. Now we are on Google here. This is your Gmail, your Google account. So now then go to your personal. You see now this menu here on your left hand side. You're gonna click on personal information. Now it brings you to here. This is where now in your personal information is where you're gonna change your name. You see here your name. My name is the name to my YouTube channel is YouTube channel, and then the birthday, and then you go to this is not my real birthday. I just filled in anything because for the sake of tutorial, so I didn't put in my real details here. So then here if you want to change your cell phone number, if you want to change your email address, and the recovery email address, this is the Gmail address and this is my recovery email address. Your password is here into your into your Yahoo Gmail account, and then these are your other details. So if you want to change the name, you go here where it says name, and then you click on this arrow here. You can't click on it or click on the arrow, and then it will open this tab here where it will tell you to change the name. Now, changing the name, when you try to change the name and it's not changing, and it doesn't give you the option to change it, that means YouTube has locked it. YouTube locks it. When you go over 2,000 subscribers upwards, then your YouTube cannot be changed the name. You can't be changed the name. You've got authority. You've gained authority. Many people have subscribed to your channel. So to change it here, it's gonna take a while. It takes YouTube resources. It takes Google's resources to go and change around or change your name all over where it's gone and it's been linked to. People have subscribed to you. People have liked and shared your account and all of that. So it will not change. So if you find that it's better you quickly make up your mind. Make up your mind and change the name while you haven't yet reached 1,000 subscribers. Make up your mind then. After that, you won't be able to change the name of your channel here and to change the name. So change the name here, put in the name you want, put in your surname, and then later click save. Click save, and then it's going to take you back to there. It's going to take you back to the previous menu, and then just close it up and then go back to your YouTube. Click onto your YouTube and then refresh your YouTube. If it doesn't change, if it's still not changing, sometimes it takes a while. It can even take up to 24 hours. But if your channel is still small and it's not so big, and if you haven't yet interacted with many other channels and you haven't subscribed to so many other subscriptions, then it will change immediately. If you really desperately want it, then go and sign out. Go and sign out here out of your YouTube account, and then refresh the page and then sign in again, and then it will change. So now this is how you change your YouTube name. I've got more other other tips on YouTube, and other tips on how to promote your YouTube channel, how to make videos, and how to make videos go viral on your YouTube channel. So if you really want to see more of those, subscribe there at the bottom, touch the bell button next to it. Again, I remind you, if you want to receive any video from me, any tips, touch that bell button and select select all. It will pull down a small menu that says, do you want to get all the notification? Choose on all, and then you will receive a message whenever I upload anything on YouTube just for you. My name is Israel again, and I want you to keep coming back and back again for more YouTube tips. Bye bye.